Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix HP laptop stuck on boot device not found. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now, if you're having this problem here, there's a few things you can do. So first things first is we need to change a few things or optimize a few things. So you want to access your BIOS. So in this case, you want to go to your keyboard here and you want to press the following buttons. So this might depend on your computer, but usually it's going to be F10 on your keyboard. So just press on F10 when you're booting up your computer and this will actually redirect you to your BIOS. Again, depending on your PC or your laptop, you might need to choose or press another button. So it's either F2 or F6, but usually it's going to be F10. Now, once you press on F10 here, it should redirect you to your BIOS. Now, what we need to do first is we want to optimize our settings. So you want to go ahead and click or press on F9 on your keyboard, or you can go ahead and click optimal defaults at the bottom right of your screen. Now, once you've done that, you can go ahead and save your changes at the top right here and basically restart your PC. Now, usually this will solve a lot of problems, but if not, what you need to do is you need to change a few things on your boot settings. So you want to go ahead and go back into your keyboard, press F10 again when you're booting up your PC. And what you need to do is you need to look for boot at the top section or tab here. Now in this case, what you need to do is you want to look for the boot priority option. So go ahead and click on boot priority. Now in here, what we need to do is we need to choose our boot option. Now the first thing you want to guarantee here is you want to make sure that your boot option 1 is going to be Windows Boot Manager. Now, once you've selected your boot option here as Windows Boot Manager, you can go and click on Save at the top right of your screen and restart your PC and see if that solves your issue. Now, you can also try enabling UEFI boot at the very top here. So sometimes this will solve a lot of issue or solve your issue here. But if not, you can go and just basically try another way here. So in this case, if none of those actually work for you, it means that your drive or your boot device might be broken. So in this case, you might need to replace your boot device or your drive here in order for you to start using your computer again. But then again, consulting with a technician is the best way for you to solve this issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.